Frontier AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini offer several advanced features beyond text generation and may reduce the need to use or pay specialized apps. AI image generation and editing capabilities are so advanced now, you don't need to learn to use Photoshop. Just tell the AI to create or edit images for you. Google Nano Banana Pro is so advanced that it can create infographics and slides, and it can replace Adobe Express. The chatbot handle documents for you, which can be useful for data analysis, reducing the use for Adobe Acrobat. While it seems that generative AI services are eating into Adobe's revenue streams, the company has anything but resistant to AI innovation. Instead, Adobe has embraced generative AI, developing its own model for its creative suites and are updating them. Adobe also unveiled AI agents that may help further with the creation process, and the Firefly app also supports Gemini Nano Banana. Keeping in mind, it's not surprising to see Adobe becoming one of the first companies to launch support for ChatGPT apps. Starting this week, Photoshop Express, Acrobat are all available directly in ChatGPT everywhere. The chatbot can offer users access to third-party apps. These three apps are available for free, which means you only need to invoke them in the prompt composer to start working on files without leaving ChatGPT. You should not pay for any of these three Adobe apps until you have tried them for free in ChatGPT, but there are some caveats. Photoshop editing won't give you access to most of the advanced editing tools. Adobe built its popular app, but you will be able to tell AI to perform simple edits with Photoshop. Ask Photoshop app to the prompt, type an instruction like add creative effects to the background to edit the app. You can access the brightness, contrast, and exposure settings. Adobe Express lets you create professionally designed with its images and text inside ChatGPT. A chat like create an invite for the dance party paired with an Express app will let ChatGPT use the app to offer sample design. You can then refine it inside chats via additional replies.